Okay, need the magnet up. I got something right close here. I don't know. Oh, what the heck is that? A lot of rust because it's not sticking real well. What the heck is that? Well, that part's pretty stout. Whew. What is that? Oh, that's an ornate. That's ornate cast. Wonder if that's from the old street lights and posts and stuff. Yeah. Ooh-wee. I picked up a piece of dry goods while I had my magnet down. I don't know. There's some ornate decoration on that for sure. See it? Right here. Huh. Alright, here we go. I better get back over here on this I-beam and use it as my leverage. I want to get over there on that little island because I know there's a bike and there's some other stuff and I don't know what that is that's standing up. Some kind of big piece of metal. Shallower on the other side. Oh, look, here we go again. More ornate. Like, oh, this looks just like that lamp base post I found over there. That's too heavy for me to even carry out of here. But anyway, we're getting scrap, that's for sure. I'm cleaning her up one piece at a time. County Seed Adventures.